friends, and happy July. I cannot believe it's July already. I hope you are all enjoying your summer break, and I'm just really quickly going to go through the July take-home kit with you. Hopefully by now you have it. If you don't, you can check either library location and see if we have any left. And let's see what's in here. Okay, so your kit is going to look like this. It might not be this color, there's lots of different colors, but it's in this cute little beach bag, tote bag. And on the inside, you have just a little flyer telling you what is in the kit. If you're watching this video, then you probably don't need this because it basically tells you how to get to this video. And then we have a few fun things in here. So we thought for July, because it is summer, it is Michigan, it tends to be very warm in July, that we would do a little, what we call beat the heat kit for this month. So you have a few things in here. You have a popsicle mold, and if you weren't sure what this is, it is a popsicle mold. It should have a little lid that fits on there pretty tightly. Before you use this, please wash it out with soap and water. We did not wash these, they came straight from the package. And as with anything that you are going to be eating from or on or with, you definitely want to wash this first. And then you have a little Kool-Aid packet. And you have this cool little fan. With the fan, there should be a little tab on the back of it. I don't know if you can see that right there. If you pull that, after that you should be able to turn the fan on using this little button right here. And you have a nice little battery powered fan for when it gets too hot or you just, need some light. But we thought this was pretty fun. So you have the fan, and then these two things. What do you do with these? Well, you can use them together if you want. Like I said, after you clean this, you can use the Kool-Aid packet. Okay, look at me when I say this. Do not use the whole Kool-Aid packet for one popsicle. It's gonna be too much, okay? But you have a Kool-Aid packet. You can take like a teaspoon of this, a teaspoon of sugar if you want, mix it up in a little bit of water, pour it into this, put the lid on, put it in the freezer until it is cold, and then you have a cool little Kool-Aid push pop. And you just push it up from the bottom like you would any other push pop. You can just make the Kool-Aid packet if you want some Kool-Aid, and some Kool-Aid sounds good, which personally, I love Kool-Aid. I haven't had it in so long, so I might actually do that. You can also use this popsicle mold to make all sorts of other popsicles. You can use fruit juice and like fresh cut up fruit and put it in here. You can make root beer floats. So like get a little bit of root beer, a little bit of ice cream, mix it up, pour it in here. You can do any other sort of soda. You can do like an ice cream mixture. Pretty much anything that sounds good frozen, pour some in here and put it in the freezer, and you have delicious popsicle. And the best part is this is reusable. Just wash it out, you can use it again. You have like a never-ending supply of like personal popsicles. So that is the kit for July. It's a little simpler than some of the other months. We thought it's the middle of summer, it's hot, you're gonna want something fun and easy to do. So that is the July kit. Check back next month for the month of August. We are going to be cooking with a chef. We're very excited about it. So check back in a couple of weeks for that video and to pick up your kit for that, where we will have some of the supplies and some of the ingredients you need to make the recipes. Until then, I hope you all are having a fantastic summer. Please come in and see us. We are now open. We are back to our normal hours. So we're open We open at 9 o'clock in the morning, and most weekdays we're open until 8 o'clock in the evening. We would love to see you. Come check out all of the new young adult books we have, new graphic novels, and we've moved them. They're upstairs now, so they're really easy to get to. But we would love to see you. So with that, I will see you in August, and I hope you're enjoying this lovely hot weather. Bye.